First off, thank you for downloading the Premier Fitness Systems app and really appreciate you utilizing one of our programs, or if you're a current client, here's a quick app tutorial to kind of help you navigate through the app so you get to your workout faster and it's a lot easier to manage. Okay, first, obviously you have to download the app. You can find that in the App Store, Premier Fitness Systems. You'll have this little yellow icon here, so we'll click on that. So if you've contacted us or you have made a account, you'll put your email address, your account information here. So I'll just type mine in. gmail.com. Kind of hide my password here. Okay. Now that we're in, because this is where a lot of people get lost. They just don't know where to find their program. So you see these three lines up here. This kind of navigates us to where our plans are. So again, if you're working with one of us, we usually give you an individualized plan. And so we'll try to label it so you can remember where it is. Also, if you download the program, we also offer some free ones as well, like free golf library and other ones as well. So we'll make sure to let you know which plans is specifically for you. So I'll just go to one of mine. This is where I'll find it under plans. And this is again where people kind of get lost. You don't want to start by clicking down here and starting from here. So this will give you access to the workout. But now once you click on it, you do the exercise, all you see is the video, right? Where you're supposed to have description, supposed to have reps and sets. Okay, this just gives you a video if you go down to this drop screen. Where you need to start is obviously starting up here in the right-hand corner, start. And kind of show you which days. You can switch up your days if you need to, but all you gotta do is just kind of go quick down to the bottom, start plan. Schedule, do it now. We'll kind of go to your calendar. So right, it's gonna go to the right, the first workout that's scheduled for your week. And then you can see that now you have descriptions, view exercise notes. That's where you kind of give idea what you're supposed to feel, how much time you need to do the exercise, rest timers 30 seconds. We'll move on to the next exercise and so on. Once you are done, and you can log it if you want to. Again, we're not really, that's not a specific thing that we really do. So we'll kind of get out of this. I want to take you to the calendar. And this is where, again, you're going to have your specific plan, and each dot shows, okay, where your day and plan kind of fit in the calendar. So if you click on one of the days, it's going to pop up on which day that is. So my app's kind of messed up right now. I have all these programs at the bottom, but your plan and days are going to show up at the bottom. That's where you kind of click which day you want to do. And it's going to give you specific of the description of the plan. So find it, plans, find your plan that you worked with. And then the key is to start it at the top in the right-hand corner. And then you can continue on with your program.